Good day, today I'm going to demonstrate how to iron polo. Dapat naka 220 voltage po yung iron. Check po natin yung cord. Baka may open para maiwasan natin yung short circuit. Then check po natin yung paa ng iron board. Make sure na nakalock po siya. Then let's start. Saksak po natin yung wire. Isiset po natin siya. First, get the hanger of the polo, then ihang lang po siya dyan. First to iron is the back of the collar. Next is the front. Next is the inner headline. Paikot lang po siya. Sige, ikot-ikot lang. Next is iron the back sleeve, then the front, same on the other side. Next is the front shoulder. Kailangan po nakapasok sa triangular edge ng ironing board. And then, plansyahin. To iron the back shoulder, hilain lang po yung tip ng collar, din iangat. To iron the other side, hilain lang po siya pababa, then iron the front and the back, same as the other side. Then iron the front side of the polo, paikot lang po siya. Then after that, put the polo top of the ironing board, get the hanger, then kailangan po siyang i-button na naka-alternate. And this is the procedure how to iron polo. That's all for today's video. Bye-bye! Please like and share. Charot!